Hello, teacher. No.
Hello.
Hello, hello, teachers.
Hi,
See
how
you
are you
again.
today?
Mm, I am fine. And you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Did you go out today?
Yes, I went out with my mother to eat something.
Wow, what did you eat?
Mm, I ate sausage, egg, and many things.
Wow, that's great. So you enjoyed yourself today, right?
Yes, I I
Okay.
very excited.
You're very happy. That's good. Okay, today I ate rice and fish for lunch. Then in the morning I took bread and tea. All right, you're welcome. Are you ready for lesson?
Yes,
Okay. So we're going to in our last class we stopped here. So I'm going to read this passage again. Listen carefully, then we complete the answer. You answer the question from the passage.
yes.
Okay. So we usually think that birds are ugly and cause many problems, but in the future we may eat insects for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner every day. Why will we eat insects? First, it will save our environment. Farms. Wheat animals need a lot of water, land, and animal food. Animals such as cows and pigs also cause large amounts of greenhouse gases. Do you remember the meaning of greenhouse?
Um, we now is um so I forgot in
Okay,
the greenhouse.
okay,
I forgot the greenhouse.
okay. You forgot the meaning of greenhouse. Greenhouse
Yes.
is gases caused
Yes.
by animals like cow and cars. There are gases caused by cars, animals, which affects the atmosphere and makes the world to be so warmed. It causes global warming. Should I write it for you again?
Hmm.
Hmm?
No.
Okay.
Um,
Do you
no, thank
remember
you.
now?
Yes, greenhouse gases are is the house in the house in
No, not a
the
house. Not
the
a house.
grass for
Good.
the
Gas.
grass for cow for cow and butterfly.
Cars. No.
Uh,
Do you know what gas is? Gas.
yes, grass.
Gas is like a. Gas is a.
Egg.
For example, we breathe in gas and it contains oxygen. So gas is A. Gas is A. So now let me explain this again. Greenhouse is a gas from cows, cars, which causes global warming. They are bad for our environment. Is that clear?
Yes.
Greenhouse, let me write it again. Greenhouse is a gas from cows, pigs, and cars.
Hi, please. Teacher, teacher, I can hear you. Mm, I can hear you.
Hello?
Yes, but now I hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, sorry. So do you understand now?
yes,
Okay, so let me continue. These gases are making our world warmer. Did you see that? These greenhouse gases are making our world warmer. The reason why sometimes the weather is very hot, sunny, is because of this greenhouse. It makes our world warmer everywhere to be hot. If we eat insects instead of animals, such problems will not occur. Second, bugs are very good for our health. They contain a lot of protein and vitamins with very little fat. So people eating insect will be healthier than people eating beef or pork. Okay, so let me explain this part. This part is saying that we should eat insects instead of eating animals because animals are making our environment to be unsafe. First of all, they are causing global warming. They cause global warming. Secondly, eating bugs are good for our health. So this one is saying that we should eat bugs, insane because they are good for our health because they contain proteins, vitamins, and very little fat. Okay, so now let's read the part that says that we shouldn't eat insects. So this part now says that we shouldn't eat insects. The problem is that many people do not want to eat insects. In rich countries, citizens think that bugs are not good foods. People do not change their thinking easily, so government cannot make people eat insect. Another problem is that eating bugs can make us sick. Eating bugs can make us sick sometimes. This is because they sometimes contain bad elements. Therefore, people must be very careful when they cook and eat bugs. Finally, many people still believe that insects are dirty. So this part now is saying that we shouldn't eat insects. Reason being that they are not good food. They will make us sick sometimes, and they contain bad elements. And also they are dirty. So the second part is saying that we shouldn't eat insects. Do you understand?
Yes.
Good. So now let's go and answer the question from there. Okay. So what are the problems with raising animals?
Um,
What?
can you can teach turn turn on? No. Can
Okay, you want to
this
say the paragraph. I want you to answer the question on your own. Can you try first before we check? Can you try and answer the question on your own?
yes?
Okay, try.
Mm,
What are the problems with raising animals? Try. If you don't know, you tell me.
yes, I will tell you. To you. Thank you. Mm, um, uh, at at now people see books are very ugly and so and not yummy. But but in the future, uh, everyone um everyone is eating. Everyone is um is
Okay,
going is to eat both
but
because both.
okay,
Yes, that's
okay,
that my business.
okay, you tried, but you didn't answer the question. Okay, so now let's answer it. The question is, what are the problems with raising animals? The problems with raising animals. Can you find it here?
Yes, yes,
Okay, so what
I
are the
define it.
problems?
Um, this is my mm, answer.
We usually
Wait.
think animals, not
Um,
insects. What are the problems with raising animals? No, that's wrong.
yes,
This is wrong.
yes, I can tell you.
This is wrong. What are the problems with raising animals? Okay, so
Um,
should
yes,
I help you?
yes,
Okay. The problems, there are a lot of problems with raising animals. Number one is animals such as cows, they cause greenhouses. They cause greenhouse gases. That is number one problem.
yes,
So the problem with raising animals is that they cause greenhouse gases. And secondly, they also consume our water, land, and food. So this is it. Farms with animals need a lot of waters and food. Then secondly, animals such as pigs cause large amount of greenhouse gases. Did you see that?
yes.
Good. So that is the problem with raising animals. They cause greenhouse gases and they consume a lot of water, land, and animals. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you the question again. What are the problems with raising animals? Number one, what are the problems with raising animals?
Mm, um, mm, animal um, is um, animal is the good food to eat, but um, but mm,
Okay,
but
but what?
mm, but but uh, so the bird have some animal not eating.
No, we just answered the question now. We just answered the question now. What are the problems with raising animals? What are the problems with raising animals? Hello, Tom.
Yes,
Can you answer the question now?
yes.
So what's your answer?
Um, we raising animals um is so very hard because um, we will we will give food for them and and some and twice and everyone and every day to take bath for um for day for them.
Okay, you try by answering on your own. Okay, the answer is the problem with raising animals is they cause greenhouse gases. They
Yes.
cause greenhouse gases and they consume a lot of food, waters, and land. This, we just answered the question. This is it. A lot of food, farms with animals need a lot of food, and animals such as pig, cars, large amounts of greenhouse. This is the answer. So can you answer again? What is the problem with raising animals?
Um, uh, animal um um green animal lice, cows and pigs um is is a gas for greenhouse. Mm,
You say farms with animals need a lot of water and foods, and animals such as cow and pig cause a lot of greenhouse gases. Animals cause a lot of greenhouse gases. So answer for number one is number one, they cause large amount of greenhouse gases. You can put it this way. They cause large amount of greenhouse gases. Can you say that? Hello, Tom?
Yes, they cause large amounts of greenhouse gases
Good. That is one problem with raising animals. The number two question, why is it healthy to eat insects? Why is it healthy to eat insects?
because we eat insect, we have vitamin,
Good.
vit vitamin and healthy. Then eat both part. Um, then eat both part.
They did what?
That's both dog bark, bark,
Bug.
both and dog bark, both and bark.
Boof.
Bark.
Can you write and send?
Yes,
Okay, so number one is say they are healthy. They are okay, pork and
bark. Both.
beef. Okay, that's the first time I'm hearing about beef. So you say they contain proteins and vitamins because they contain protein mm, and vitamin. Can you say that? Because they contain protein and vitamin.
Because they contain protein and vitamin.
Good. Okay, then number three, why don't many people in rich countries eat insects?
Because because in the rich country, they also catch um, many seafood. Um, would um, in the they in the rich countries, they also eat they also eat beef, cow, and many rich food and seafood. Uh,
Okay,
and in the rich countries, they think uh, insects is so ugly and not yummy than fish, than animals.
good. You tried. Nice one. Most important, they think that insects are dirty. Good. They think that insects are ugly and dirty. Nice one. So let's write number three because
Because mm,
they think insects are ugly and dirty. Good. Okay, then number four, why will governments have difficulty making people eat insects?
Mm, I don't know the means of governments.
Government, okay. Governments
Yes.
are people who make laws and enforce laws in a country or state. For example, senators, governors, presidents. These are the group of people that makes law and enforce law. That is known as
Um,
government. Do you understand now?
yes.
Okay.
Mm, mm, because mm, people uh, say insurance is so ugly and not yummy. Uh, people will people um don't cook to eat insurance. Mm, but in the future, they will eat inches.
Okay. Okay, you tried. So let's check. Look at this. People. Okay, let's read from here. Citizen thinks that bugs are not good food. People do not change their thinking easily. So government cannot make people eat insects. So the reason why government cannot make people eat insects is because people do not change their thinking easily. So the answer is because people do not change their thinking easily. And another problem is eating bugs can sometimes make us sick. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the answer is number four. Number four. Oh, because people do not change their thinking easily and eating insects can make us sick. Oh, can make us sick. Because people do not change their thinking easily and eating insects can make us sick. Can you read?
Yes, because people do not change their thinking easily, and eating insurance can make us sick.
Good. Then the last one, why can we be sick if we eat insects or bugs?
In my opinion, I think they are not um used to eating insurance.
They are not what?
They are not used to eating insurance.
Okay, good, because they are not good to eating insects. That is correct. And another thing again is because it contains bad elements. Because it contains bad elements. So when we eat them, it can make us sick. Okay, so you did amazing today, Tom. Nice one. So we're going to end the lesson here. In our next class, we continue with vocabulary check. Why are you opening your eyes? So good to see you today. Bye-bye.
Your body chance.
All right, thank you.
See you next week.
All right.